Hey guys, good morning. It is 14 September, 5:44 a.m. Market looks like it wants to, at least in pre-market, gain a little bit of yesterday's losses back, but it's still super early, so who knows. Right now I've got the 10-year pulled up. I have set an alert for 3.499. That's the previous highs that corresponded with the lows back in mid-June. So I'd like to know if the yields rip over this, or the 10-year, if it rips over that price. I'd like to know, because that's probably going to be a signal for some algorithms to start doing some additional selling. Let's take a look. The S&P is up about a third of a point right now. This trend line is currently holding. This line breaks at 3918 area, kind of corresponds with that line, so keep an eye on that. And if that does break this intraday low on 6 September, keep an eye on that. We set a new low here, and I can't predict the future, but I would assume that we'd see some more downside pressure. Something that's kind of crazy right now I've been looking at is the VIX is still super low. That's your fear and greed index. A lot of analysts are calling for a 40-day. Like we got close to 40 way back in January, and it's been kind of coiling up in this pennant pattern. Broke below here, but kind of regained that support trend line. Just keep an eye on that VIX. Like it was crazy yesterday with this huge move down. This made a big move up, but it was like from 23 to 26, so that's not like a huge move you would expect for a massive sell-off. I thought maybe it would get closer to 30, but I don't know, maybe people were just expecting it. Oil still hanging in there. I was looking at XOM this morning. Where's that at on here? Here we go. And that's right at trend line support as well. And honestly, that's more of a we've got a nice channel right here. I would throw in there. But I'm still not ready to take a position yet. I'd like to see oil actually break out above these trend lines. I think I said that yesterday, especially this 50-day moving average here, 92.84 currently. Still keeping an eye on that. And honestly, even do that. That actually corresponds with that 50-day moving average anyway. So actually, what I'll do is just put an alert on that. If it crosses, I'll know. That way I don't have to keep watching it. The Qs yesterday, getting close to breaking this low here. I am going to put an alert on this as well. I kept some puts open last night. I normally don't do that, but I bought some that expire next week. So I'm more feeling a little better about leaving those open. You know, you guys are watching my videos. I'm a scalper. I like to be in and out. My perfect trade is like 5 minutes. Just in, make a little money, then get out. But I think we're going to see additional downside. Something to watch here. Pull this up. So this is a lot of data, and I can't remember where I got this chart from. But see, pay attention to this the red line here. This is very interesting, and it's not perfect through the beginning of the year because we've basically been sliding down since January. But mid-June, kind of the 16th of June was our lows, and we kind of rallied off that, came back, and this is pretty damn close to the S&P 500. Let's pull this chart up. See, when was this peak? In August. So August peaked up and came down early September. Then it kind of jumped up a little more. So it jumped up here, and now we're mid-September, we're dropping again. So this is kind of, if the past is an indication of the future, we may retest that low, and then before the election maybe set a new low. Who knows? That's just something interesting to look at, because it's pretty freaking close. So what I'm watching for today is, if this comes up, you'd like to see, if you're in puts or short the market, you'd like to see this level hold, this 39.65, and then obviously if this 39.18 breaks, I'm not going to tell you guys how to trade, but I'm probably going to go a little heavier than normal, because I think we'll see some more downside pressure. Once again, I am not a financial advisor, but that's just my opinion there. I think that's all I had this morning. This could be a dead cat bounce, which is probably likely, but like I said, I can't predict the future. So we'll see how it goes. We've still got 3.5 hours to the market open. So happy trading, guys.